from SMK Chung.
We are from Malaysia. Our school located at 0.5 km from town in Tangong.
Hi everyone. Now let me begin the introduction of our group. Our group teacher is Mr. Lau Siu Kiat. He is one of our chemistry teacher in our school. Our group consists of 4 members. They are Debbie, Cindy, Faima, and Apple.
Our product, Verdevolt, using 2 sources to get the electric energy, which is chemical energy from the compost and the solar energy from the sun. The materials we use are reusable and do not bring the effect to environment.
There will be 2 pieces of blue light bulbs installed next to the fan. The blue lights are open on a 24-hour range. This because the blue lights are proven to increase photosynthesis significantly.
The solar panel acts as a source of energy to ensure the blue light will never go out. As solar panel absorbs sunlight during the day, it will store the energy for night usage.
The spray is a mixture of organic mineral and water to ensure the plants are hydrated and moist regularly. The fluids are sprayed uniformly to ensure the plant receives consistent amount.
Chemical organic matter made from compost. Vegetables, fruits, or peelings are more likely to be used to create the compost. From there, the chemical organic matters can be used as a source of nutrients for the plants.
Fans are installed in between the blue light bulb to ensure rate of transpiration. Some species of plants are vulnerable to heat, which the fan can be beneficial during hot weather.
The material we use are light bulb LED, PVC tube, container PET, fan, and solar panel. The total cost for our product is 66 ringgit 60 cents.